case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the shadowed nightscape of Crystal Lake, Illinois, a fateful encounter between a police officer and a man illegally parked spun a twisted web of legality and pain that found its way into the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit in 1962. Named Meyer v. Petzelt, this case shone a spotlight on the liability of law enforcement officers' actions while performing official duties, and whether they could be sued for resulting harm. A fear-riddled chase ensued after the officer, lacking his flashlight and ticket book, discovered the man in a dark alleyway behind his hotel. The threatening presence of the officer led the man to seek out escape, causing him to sustain personal injuries, a broken leg being the gravest among them. Originally tried in district court, a jury awarded the plaintiff $25,000 for his sustained injuries, yet in a twist of fate, a second trial was bestowed upon the defendant. This time, though, the tables turned and both parties were found within the realm of negligence. While the conduct of the defendant, logically, could be inferred as the direct cause of the plaintiff's fear and subsequent injury, the crux of the case pivoted on one central question. Are the actions of the pursuing officer legally actionable? Resoundingly, Illinois law reiterated what was previously known. Individual law enforcement officers could indeed be held liable for wrongs committed while on duty, making both the defendant's actions and the district court's siding with him erroneous. Despite this, the plaintiff's efforts to fend off a second trial fell on deaf ears. The higher court overlooked the district court's favoritism towards the defendant, and the case was opened once more, this time painstakingly concentrating only on the measure of damages. Despite the district court's misplaced judgment along the way, the higher court's decision held a note of restraint, opting not to contest its authority to exercise discretion. In its finale, the case of Meyer v. Petzelt underscored yet again the importance of a fair trial and the weight of the law's implementation, even and especially when it concerns those meant to enforce it.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.